Corey's stuff. Well, not that cake thing, not that one, but all this stuff right here. Yeah. And that's Becky, and I think that's Lady, but I don't know.
Wait, shall we see?
Might be
Lady
Daisy.
or Lizzie? It's Lady.
Woohoo!
Lady Gorman. That's what it says on her tag.
Lady Gorman. And there's Corey Gorman. She's not Lady. Okay, Corey, you have to open your presents.
Yes, open every single one of them.
Okay, thank you.
First it's a card, and the thing fell off.
Hell, I fell off.
And then there's your picture I painted you.
Aww.
It's pretty. You show the camera. It's pretty. You can have that on memory forever. What? Oh yeah. That's the front of the card. And that's Becky again. It's a really big card. Okay. The dog's alert. Alert. There's strangers in my house. Okay, open the presents, Corey. Open the presents. That's a little baggie full of stuff.
Apparently.
Yeah. That's a really big present. We had fun.
We did.
We'll show you.
We'll show you our shopping trip. We put it on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's on lots of...
It's all on video?
Uh-huh. So you have to hurry, because I don't want my memory to run out. Hurry, Corey, hurry! Hurry, Corey, hurry! Oh, I like the inside of that wrapping paper, Becky.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh my gosh, it's pink.
And it says Princess on it.
Oh. Cape.
Good morning.
This is where's my cookie?
Get you dog cookies that are special for dogs. And they're pink too.
It's a girl.
Woohoo, it's a girl. They're, yeah. And there's
crayon ball.
Yeah, I found those when I was cleaning my room.
Oh, that's cool.
I made it, Corey.
That's awesome. Did you wrap it too? It's like instructions. Oh.
See, that's the shiny paper I was talking about, but I didn't realize until I like unraveled it, it was like clear. So.
The hair on it, I think it's yours.
Yeah, I did that too.
Oh jeez, how many times did you wrap it?
I don't know, I just
Like
ate it.
so far.
Wow. You sure didn't want Corey opening that one. Says Corey on the cover.
I made it feel to read the other pink stuff because it was really light and I wanted to do
there's
songs.
I didn't see the pink.
There's 23, Cold Wind Blows Through Your Door,
The CD if I can see.
All at Once.
Yeah.
I cannot tell what that is. Beauty and the Breakdown.